Welcome to Doba tutorial. In previous videos, we have shown you how to connect your Shopify, Wix, eBay and BigCommerce stores. Today, we will show you how to connect your WooCommerce store. As always, we will explain the process step by step. Now, let's begin. Step 1. Please log into your retailer account. Click Stores. Step 2. Click Connect a new store. Select WooCommerce, then click Next. Step 3. Here, please enter your store URL and read the instructions carefully. Step 4. Log into your WordPress store. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Advanced, REST API. Then add a new app key for Doba. For user, please select Administrator. For permissions, please select Read/Write. Then please click Generate API key. Step 5. On the key details page, copy your consumer key and consumer secret and paste them on Doba's page. Then click the Connect button. Step 6. Then it's done. You will see, authorized successfully. Just click OK to finish. Then, on the stores page, you will find your WooCommerce store is activated and authorized. Now you are ready to go. Next, you may adjust your store settings and add some hot-selling products to your WooCommerce store. Sync and manage your orders, shipping and inventory from your WooCommerce store, right here on Doba. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.